Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, all of you.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Morning, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
मैम हो गया
Good
मेरा
morning.
क्लास ज्वाइन.
Monday I will take a quiz from this chapter only. Okay?
मैम
And
Okay, ma'am.
okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Has quiz
मैम हो
been
गया.
held in any other subject?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No,
Physics?
no,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Not of
No,
yours.
ma'am.
मैम
I'll tell you the
No,
process.
ma'am.
I mean,
मैम
SST.
Okay.
मैम
I'll send you the link. I'll send you the link for the quiz. Okay. And you
Ma'am.
be prepared with this chapter on Monday. Word meanings as well as question
Oh,
answers.
मैम
Word meanings also.
मैम
Ma'am, somebody is calling you, ma'am.
What happened? Hello?
Someone is,
Someone is?
ma'am, Rishabh Ranjan is calling ma'am, ma'am.
Rishabh Ranjan?
यस मैम.
ऋषभ रंजन बी क्वाइट, शांत रहो, डिस्टर्ब नहीं करो.
मैम हो गया मेरा क्लास ज्वाइन.
और ठीक है, हो गया तो अच्छी बात है.
Sweet distribute करो.
तुम किसी दोस्त से कंसल्ट करते रहो ना. तुम एवरी डे यू कॉल मी 5 or 6 times. ऋषभ रंजन, you don't
Yes,
have
ma'am.
any friend, you consult your friend for every small problem if you trouble your class teacher.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So okay, what is the meaning of catastrophe? Who will answer? Catastrophe.
ma'am, a sudden destruction.
Okay, sudden destruction. Yes, good. Anukul, you answered. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, and then what is the meaning of triumphant? Triumphant.
Ma'am, victory.
Yes, victory. Triumphant means be victorious or be successful. Then what is the meaning of brimming? I told you yesterday. These meanings were told yesterday, and I had also told you to keep.
Ma'am,
Full of tears.
I'm full of tears.
I'm full of tears.
Brimming means full of. Here it means full of tears. But actually, brimming means full of anything, full of water, full of means filled till the edge. Okay. What is the meaning of miracle? What is the meaning of miracle?
Chamatkar.
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 Anushka.
Chamat-
Anushka, say the English meaning.
Ma'am, may I?
Something
May I?
unusual.
Let Anushka try.
Ma'am, something that was not unexpected. That was unexpected.
Something that is unexpected, a strange happening, miracle. Hindi meaning is chamatkar, but you should know the English meaning also, because in your examination you will have to write the English meaning. That is why you should know the English meaning. Okay. What did Prashant do after the rain stopped? What did Prashant do after the rain stopped? Shreyasi, you answer. Shreyasi. Shreyasi, can you hear me? What did Prashant do after the rain stopped?
Ma'am, after the rain stopped, Prashant thought to go to his home, which was 18 kilometers away from his friend house. Now he take a stick and ride on cycle and go to his house.
Okay, very good. Yes. He decided to go to his village, return to his village, and he took a very strong stick with him. Uh, okay, what kind of a journey was it? Who will answer? Anuj, you want to answer? What kind of a journey was it? He decided to go
It,
back. Who? Anuj, you want to answer?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it was
Okay, Anuj, answer.
ma'am, it was a very long journey and very difficult journey.
Very
Because
difficult. Okay.
I
Okay.
destroyed everything way.
Advait, what are the scenes that he saw during his journey? Why
Ma'am,
was it difficult? Advait?
ma'am, he saw dead bodies of animals, broken houses, fallen trees.
Okay. Okay, yes, very good. He saw the dead bodies of animals and the human beings floating in the water in large numbers. In fact, those bodies were an obstacle while he was moving, and he had to clear those dead bodies to move ahead. Okay, whom did he meet on the way? Who will answer?
Ma'am, his two uncles. I mean,
Friends of his
the
uncle.
friends of his uncle.
Friends of his uncle.
He met two friends of his uncle, two of his uncle's friends on the way, and then all the three started working together. Okay. Then what happened when Prashant reached his village? What was the scene there? Who will answer?
He saw that
Not Anuj,
everything
any
has
other
destroyed.
person. Wait, Anuj, let others also answer. One who has not answered, come on. Someone who hasn't answered. अनुज, श्रेयसी, अनुकूल, ये लोग आंसर कर चुके हैं. अद्वित, someone who hasn't answered. Pragya, have you answered any question today?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush Kumar, Ayush Kumar, answer do. Ayush Kumar, what did he see when he reached his village? 9G, Ayush. हाँ, बोलो.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
ma'am, may I?
When he reached his village, he first saw the people.
Ma'am,
He
may I?
saw the crowd was.
Okay, Anirbhay, you answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, when he reached his village, ma'am, his heart went cold. Where the home once stood, there were only remains of its roof. Some of their belongings were caught and mangled and twisted in the branch of trees and the dark waters.
Okay, yes, very good. When he reached his village, he saw that most of the houses in the village had been washed away. And his house also had been washed away. What was remaining? Some parts of the roof. छत का कुछ भाग रह गया था, बाकी सब चीज बह गए थे. What about the belongings? They were mangled. Mangled means broken. All the belongings, all the things of the house, they were broken. And where did he find those broken things hanging? वो टूटे फूटे चीज जो है वो कहाँ लटक रहे थे?
Ma'am, branches of trees.
Ma'am, branches of trees.
Yes, Anukul. It was hanging in the branches of the trees. All those belongings, they were hanging in the branches of the trees. Where did he go next?
Ma'am, the Red Cross shelter.
Red Cross shelter.
Not shelter. You have already answered. Ayush Mehra, you answer. Ayush Mehra, can you hear me? Ayush Mehra. Where did he go? When he reached,
He went to Red Cross shelter.
Ayush, you don't know the answer? Not responding.
Ma'am, he muted himself.
Huh? Yeah? Muted.
Ma'am, he muted himself.
Okay. Okay, then who wants to answer? Chalo, batao.
Ma'am, he went to Red Cross shelter
Red Cross shelter home.
He went
to
to
look for his family.
He went to the Red Cross shelter. Whom did he meet there?
Ma'am, his
Ma'am, his
maternal
maternal.
His maternal grandmother.
He met his maternal grandmother first.
Grandmother.
Maternal grandmother, and after that, the news that Prashant was alive spread in the Red Cross Society, and then all his family members, they came and they hugged him tight in relief. Because they had already given up hope. किसी को ये उम्मीद नहीं थी कि प्रशांत वापस आएंगे. They had all given him up for dead. So when they saw him, they all were very happy and they hugged him tight. What is the meaning of motley? Did I tell you the meaning yesterday?
Ma'am, crowd
Crowd
of
of
different
different
people.
people.
Yes, crowd of different people. Okay. Then Vijaya Roy, tell me the meaning of desperate. Vijaya, can you hear me? Vijaya Roy, I can see your name in the participants. What is the meaning of desperate? 9B Vijaya Roy.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of desperate?
Ma'am, ready to do anything to change the situation, or out of control.
Hopeless.
Desperate means of disappointed, hopeless.
Hopeless.
Okay, ma'am.
Ready to do anything. Chalo, ye bhi.
Or ma'am, out of control, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Situation.
What is the meaning of grief? You tell me. Vijaya, another meaning grief.
Sorrow.
Vijaya, meaning of
Yes, ma'am.
meaning of grief.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, may I?
Sugan, you want to answer?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Sugan, you answer.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am,
sorrow. Ma'am, extreme sadness.
Yes.
Bliss.
Sorrow.
painful regret.
Ma'am, bliss.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Sorrow.
painful regret.
Bliss नहीं, bliss तो इसका opposite हुआ.
Ma'am, painful regret.
Ma'am, sorrow.
Grief मतलब sorrow होता
Sadness.
है.
Great sadness.
पछतावा.
Ma'am, great sadness.
Sorrow.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Grief.
Ma'am, extreme sadness.
Extreme sadness you can say. Sorrow you can say.
Ma'am, painful regret.
Full regret.
Not regret.
हेल्प बुक में जो है एकदम एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग नहीं दिया रहता है. इट्स नॉट रिग्रेट. रिग्रेट मतलब पछतावा होता है. ग्रीफ मीन्स सॉरो. So
Sorrow, ma'am. Dukkha.
regret is not the correct synonym for grief. Regret means पछताना.
Sorrow.
और
Yeah,
To
ma'am.
feel guilty
grief
about
मतलब
something.
दुख. So both are different words. Okay, now Prashant saw all his family members. He was very happy, but the situation was very desperate. Why? Because there was no food at all in the Red Cross Society. Also, even the government was unable to provide food. Why? Because everything had been washed away. So, how did Prashant make arrangements for food? Where did he go? One answer karega.
Ma'am,
Someone who
ma'am,
has
to the
Aditya Raj,
merchants.
you answer. Aditya Raj.
Can I?
Aditya, can you hear me? What did he do to make
Ma'am,
arrangements?
can I answer?
Can I?
Anuj, you have already answered. I want someone.
Ma'am, can I answer?
AI.
Who wants to answer? Someone who
Ma'am,
has
Ma'am Manoj.
ma'am, can I
Anuj
answer?
has answered. Aditya hasn't answered today.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Vijaya,
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya,
Ma'am,
answer. Aditya.
He go to the merchant
Yes,
once
very good.
again to part with his rice.
Okay, yes, very good. He went to the merchant and then he first he formed a group.
Of
उसमें
youths and
अपने
elders.
वो खुद लीडर बन गया और एक यूथ लोगों का ग्रुप बनाया, यंग लोगों का. He himself was 19 years old. So the people who were of his own age, the youth, a team of youths, and he himself became the leader. So the first thing that was needed was to provide food. Otherwise, the victims would die of hunger. So he went to the businessman, the merchant, and he requested him to give rice. And they were successful, triumphantly. They got the rice from the merchant. Though the rice was not good rice, it was already rotting. वो जो rice मिला वो भी पानी में सड़ रहा था, आधा सड़ चुका था. But at least they could eat that rice also. So for the first time in 4 days, 4 दिनों तक वो सिर्फ नारियल खा के जिंदा थे. पहली बार 4 दिनों के बाद उनको भरपेट खाना मिला, to fill their bellies. So after 4 days, they were able to eat to the full. So, and how was the rice cooked? It was cooked on the branches. It was cooked by the branches that had fallen from the trees. Though it was very difficult to light that fire because the branches were also wet. So the fire was reluctant. बहुत मुश्किल से वो आग जो है जला. And for the first time, the survivors were able to fill their way. Now, next step was to clean the environment, shelter of filth. Filth means dirt. Write the meaning. I'll ask you. As I told you, you keep a copy beside you, and as and when I'm telling the meaning, you write it. You can do it in your fair copy itself, because you have to maintain the copy and write the meaning, so you don't have to do double work. As and when the class is going on, you can write down the meanings. So filth means dirt. So what was the next step? The next step was to clean the environment. Why? Because if the environment was not clean, any disease might outbreak. That is the next danger after any catastrophe, the outbreak of deadly diseases. So the next step that Prashant took was to clean the surrounding areas of dirt, urine, vomit, and floating carcasses. So the next step, after providing food for the victims, the next step was to clean the area. And he, along with the other members of his team, they started doing this task. And to tend the wounds and fractures. Tend here means to cure. और दूसरा नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या था? बहुत सारे लोग जो है वो जख्मी भी हो गए थे ना. So the next step was also to cure the people who had got injured and wounded. To the wounds and fractures. Many people had got fractures. कोई बिल्डिंग उन पे गिर गया या कुछ भी पेड़ गिर गया, तो उसके कारण बहुत सारे लोगों का बोन्स फ्रैक्चर भी हो गया था. टू द वुंड्स, मेनी पीपल हैड गॉट इंजर्ड एंड मेनी पीपल हैड गॉट फ्रैक्चर्स. इंजरी, वुंड मतलब घाव होता है, इंजरी. And so next step was to clean the surrounding areas as well as to look after the injury and the fractures of the people who had been injured, to give them first aid. On the fifth day, a military helicopter flew over the shelter and dropped some food parcels. So on the fifth day, there was some respite, थोड़ा सा relaxation मिला कि military helicopter dropped food parcels. So it happens during the droughts and floods and all. The government makes arrangement. Food packets are dropped from above. Even it happened in Kankarabagh last year. Food packets were dropped.
Yes, ma'am.
Last year we also faced a very difficult situation when it rained continuously. Many low-lying areas, they were just flooded with water. Many houses also water entered. So the food parcels were dropped. It then did not return. लेकिन मिलिट्री हेलीकॉप्टर जो है एक बार पार्सल ड्रॉप कर दिया, उसके बाद वो वापस नहीं आया. इट देन डिड नॉट रिटर्न, मतलब एक बार खाना गिरा के फिर वो वापस नहीं आया. तो एक बार इफ यू प्रोवाइड फूड जस्ट वंस, दैट इज नॉट इनफ. These people, they need food every day you need food. So the youth task, you can see in the picture how the children are lying down on the ground and what is on their stomach. Picture में क्या देख सकते हैं?
Plate, utensils.
Empty utensils. तो ये क्या सिग्नल है कि हमारा जो है थाली है और उसमें हमें खाना चाहिए. This is a signal. They are signaling the helicopters to give them more food. Why? Because the helicopters dropped food one day and after that they did not return. But they needed food every day. So they indicated that they wanted food. This was a signal to the helicopter that they want more food, putting the empty utensil on their stomach. पेट पर खाली बर्तन रख के वो सिग्नल दे रहे थे हेलीकॉप्टर्स को कि उन्हें और खाना चाहिए. The youth task force gathered empty utensils from the shelter. Utensils मतलब बर्तन. Then they deputed the children to lie in the sand. As you saw in the picture, the children were deputed to lie on the sand left by the waters around the shelter with these utensils on their stomachs, to communicate to the passing helicopters that they were hungry. So this was to send their message. Why did they put those empty utensils on their stomach? That they were hungry and they needed more food. They wanted to communicate, indicate to the helicopters they wanted more food, that they were hungry. The message got through, and after that the helicopter made regular rounds. So this trick was successful. This trick was successful, and after that the helicopters dropped food now and then. The message got through. And after that the helicopter made regular rounds of the shelter, airdropping food and other basic needs. Airdropping means dropping from height. Airdropping. So one problem of food was solved. Food problem was somewhat solved. Prashant found that a large number of children had been orphaned, but there were a lot of problems before them. Everything had been destroyed. Many children had lost their parents. Many people had lost their children. So life had just become topsy-turvy, pura ulta-pulta. Prashant found that a large number of children had been orphaned. Orphaned means, you know, what is the meaning of orphan?
No, ma'am.
Orphan? You haven't heard of the word orphan?
Anath.
Ma'am, Anath.
हम सुने मैम अनाथ.
Yes. Orphan means a child without parents.
Food.
Orphan.
Parents are dead.
a child without parents. So what happened? Many children had lost their parents. My voice is clear to all of you? My voice is audible?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So many children had been orphaned, means many children had lost their parents. He brought them together and put up a polythene sheet shelter for them. So built a temporary house. How did he built a temporary house with the polythene sheet. He built a temporary house for the children because they had no house. Temporary house with the polythene sheet. Women were mobilized to look after them. So they had lost their parents. Who will look after them? So women were mobilized to look after them, while the men secured food and materials for the shelter. So work was divided. Women were told to take care of the orphan children. Women were given the work of taking care of the orphan children, and men were given the work of securing food and materials for the shelter. As weeks passed, Prashant was quick to recognize that women and children were sinking deeper and deeper in their grief. So uh, these were just a few problems that were solved of food and shelter. But still, everyone was very, very sad. Why? Because they had lost everything. Many children had lost their parents. So most of the people, they were sinking deeper and deeper in their grief. Grief मतलब वही sorrow. तो सारे लोग जो है वो अपने दुख में एकदम डूब रहे थे. They were getting depressed. They were getting depressed. Why? Most of them were feeling depressed because uh, they had lost everything in this flood. Even they had lost their belongings,
His house.
their near dear ones. He persuaded.
Yeah, ma'am.
He persuaded. Persuaded मतलब convinced, मनाना. Persuaded means to convince. किसी को कोई काम करने के लिए मनाना. Convinced the woman to start working in the food for work program started by an NGO. So what did Prashant think? That the only way for the people to come out of the, उनको अपने दुख से कैसे वो बाहर निकाल सकते थे? उनको कोई काम दे करके, once you get busy in your work, you forget your grief, isn't it? So he, just to divert the attention of the woman, he persuaded them to start working in the food for work program started by an NGO. And for children, he organized sports events. For children, he organized the sports events. So he made women, he convinced the woman to start working in NGO, and he convinced the children to get themselves involved in sports events. All children are fond of games. He himself loved to play cricket, and so he organized cricket matches for children to divert their attention. To divert their attention from the grief? What did he do? He started organizing cricket matches so that they got involved in it and forget their sorrow from their grief. He organized the cricket matches, and Prashant engaged with other volunteers in helping the widows. Widow, you know? Who is a widow?
Vidwa.
Yes.
A woman who
Whose
had lost
husband is died.
So they widows and children to pick up the broken pieces of their lives. तो उनका जो लाइफ था वो क्या हो गया था? पूरा बिखर गया था. Their lives had become broken. So he helped the people to bring back their life to normal, to join the broken piece. पूरी तरह जो है वो उनका life टूट चुका था. And Prashant was helping them to rejoin those broken pieces, get to normal, start working, start playing. The initial government plan was to set up institutions for orphans and widows. Government ने भी help किया, कैसे? To set up institutions for orphans. What is the institution for orphans called? Orphanage. अनाथ आश्रम को क्या कहते हैं? Orphanage. So institutions were set up for the orphans. However, this step was successfully resisted. Resisted means opposed. लोगों ने विलेजर्स ने गवर्नमेंट के इस स्टेप को अपोज किया. गवर्नमेंट ने ऑर्फनेज और विडोज के रहने का इंतजाम किया, बट दिस was not welcomed. Why? Because it was felt that in such institutions children would grow up without love. So why did the villagers oppose this? Because they knew that at the orphanage children will get the food and shelter, but what they will not get? They will not get the love. Orphanage, whoever will work in the orphanage, they will just do their duty, provide food and shelter to the children. But will they also treat the children with love? That was very doubtful. So the villagers did not want to send their children. The villagers did not want to send their orphan children to orphanage. Why? Because they thought that children will not get love. And widows would suffer from stigma and loneliness. Stigma means disgrace. कलंक जिसको हिंदी में कहते हैं. एक स्टिग्मा जो है वो बायो का स्टिग्मा होता है, but here this stigma is different. There are many homophones in English, same spelling, same pronunciation, but different meanings at different places, isn't it? So this stigma here means disgrace, something that is not accepted in society. Widows are not accepted in society. They are said to be a disgrace and insult. So the government made arrangements for orphanages and shelter homes for widows. But Prashant and the other villagers, they did not want to send their children and women to these institutions because they did not have faith in the working of these institutions. Even government institutions are very corrupt.
Time is over, ma'am.
Our time is over. So Prashant,
you can finish. You can finish this chapter, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
2-3 minutes लगेगा. So,
yes, ma'am. कर लो, ma'am.
Prashant, who believed orphans should be settled in their own community. तो प्रशांत के ग्रुप का क्या मानना था कि बच्चों को जो है अपने ही विलेज में रीसेटल किया जाए. न्यू फोस्टर फैमिलीज, अडॉप्टेड फैमिलीज, मतलब बहुत सारे फैमिलीज जो है वो उन्होंने अपने बच्चों को खो दिया था. बहुत सारे बच्चे जो है उन्होंने अपने पेरेंट्स को खो दिया था. तो एक म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग से दोनों का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो सकता है. The family who have lost the children, they can adopt the orphans. That can be done. In that way, they will not have to send their children to the orphanages. So this was the agreement that was made in the village. So it is 6 months after the devastation. This time, Prashant's wounded spirit has healed. Heal मतलब क्योर होना. अब जो है प्रशांत ठीक हो चुके हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि वो टाइम ही नहीं है अपने पेन के बारे में बॉदर करने का. He has no time to bother about his own pain. He has no time to think about his own pain. Why? Because he is busy with the pain of someone else. He is busy solving the problem of others. He has no time to think about his own problems. And whom do the children and the women remember whenever they are very sad? किसको वो खोजते हैं कभी भी? Darkest hour of
Ma'am, Prashant.
So the women and the children search Prashant whenever they are very sad. Whenever they are very sad, they look for Prashant. They are sad, they look for Prashant. Because Prashant is their hero. Prashant proved himself to be a hero. Why? Because he solved the problems, numerous problems that arose after the cyclone. Proved to be a... So this is your homework. Be prepared for quiz.
Only from this chapter, na?
Yes.
Ma'am, tomorrow will be holiday, ma'am.
Yes, tomorrow will be a holiday. Because tomorrow is 5th Sunday. No schedule for 5th Sunday. So tomorrow you won't have any test.
Okay, ma'am.
Tomorrow is not test.
No, I already posted in the class group.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Ma'am, on Monday only this chapter.
Yes, only this chapter. For quiz
Okay, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Weathering the storm.
Nice day, ma'am.
Yes,
Nice day, ma'am.
get to your other classmates also. जो लोग नहीं आज class attend किए हैं. Weathering.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will send it in the group.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Have a
Okay, ma'am. Have a nice day.
3 ही minutes.
Nice day, ma'am.
Okay,
Bye, ma'am.
bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Bye. Be prepared, all of you, and communicate to your other classmates also.
Ma'am, कल टेस्ट नहीं ना?
क्या?
नहीं, कल नहीं.